Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating a family tree using Airtable, a versatile and user-friendly platform. So let's get started. First up, log into your Airtable account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's free. You need an account to access and save your data. Having done that, create a new base by clicking the plus Add a Base button. Choose the Start from Scratch option. This is the foundation of your family tree, so it's crucial to get it right. Now, rename your base to something like Family Tree. This helps us because it keeps our work organized and easy to find later. Next, we'll create a new table. Click on the plus Add a Table option and name it Family Members. This is where we'll store all the details about your family. In this table, you need at least 3 fields: name, date of birth, and relations. These will help give context to the family tree and make it easier to understand. To add a field, click plus Add Field and select the type of field you want. The reason we do this is to customize our data input according to the information we want to store. Now that we've done that, it's time to input your family data. Start with yourself, add your parents, then siblings, and so on. Make sure to include the relevant details in the respective fields. Let me explain why this matters. This information forms the base of your family tree and helps you visualize your lineage. Finally, to create the actual family tree, switch to the Kanban view. Here you can create a card for each family member and arrange them in order of their relations. This is the fun part. It brings your data to life and makes it visually appealing. And that's it. You've just created a family tree in Airtable. It's as simple as that. Remember, understanding your family history can be a fascinating journey, and tools like Airtable make it easier to organize and visualize this information. So, keep exploring, keep adding, and keep discovering your roots. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy organizing.